At about what is time now? What is time now? What is 1:32? At 1:32 p.m. we came to Visakhapatnam Boat Club to go Vivekananda Rock. Mr. KSP is not bearing the safeguard and his co-son-in-law is present and Chinna Swami also present and KSP son also present. Mr. Padmija Madam, Tulasam and Padmija Madam also present. Tulasam also present. These all are present. It is the capacity of the boat is 500 and odd. After completion, it will start. The ticket for each head is ticket anta each head 75 rupees per each head. Then it will be very beautiful to go Vivekananda Rock. It is going. There is a movement very beautiful and the scenery also appearing and it is. So the club box beautiful. This is the sea location. Before going reach the statue, Vivekananda statue, just we are waiting for to moving and observing the movements of what is going on. The very beautiful situation is enjoying by my colleagues. KSP and team, they are very happy. Then just now they have completed their meals and they have taken this program. The driver, who is Selvakumar Tamilian, who taken from the car driver who came with us. He suggested the boat club is very much. From where are you coming here? Kochi. How do you feel about this journey? We are enjoying. More than drinking, we are enjoying. Drinking is separate. Thank you. So your frankness will lift you in high levels. Thank you. Hello. Harry. Hello. మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారా? యూఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్ లాట్ చిన్నస్వామి, శివస్వామి.